And welcome to YouTutor. We're so excited to have you here. In this video, we'll walk you through the key features, show you how to navigate the app with ease, and share some pro tips to help you make the most out of your experience. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to dive in and start using YouTutor like a pro. So let's jump right in. As you can see, this is the home page we have here. We have a Science, English, Math, Social Studies, Tutorial, and Mr. Tutor module, which Science, English, Math, and Social Studies are the 4 core subjects that a third grader normally studies. Let's go into Science, for example, in which it has a science game where we can play it. And we do damage if we answer the question right, and we take damage if we do the question wrong. And let's say you do it all wrong and eventually lose a level, you would have to go into resources and watch the videos to help you understand the concept. Let's go into English, in which you could learn the English vocab by looking at the flashcards and understanding each word to its ability. Let's go to vocab check, which we'll do to assess if we've actually learned the word. The definition of globe. Let's just speed on it and say we get it all wrong. Finished, close, and we scored a total of 2 out of 5, in which we can review the answers and make another submission, in which we would have to go into discussions where we could check the ranks of other students and compare to see if we're better or doing worse in comparison to other students across the world. And let's say if they do wrong and don't understand the concept pretty well, they can go into resources again and look at all the syllables, words, which we've taken from YouTube. And let's go into math, which has multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, in where multiple rapid fire questions are put out. 7 times 3, 21, 3 times 4, 12, times 2, 16, 6 times 2, 12, which I'm pretty slow, but I'm pretty sure the third graders are pretty faster than me at doing this. And we got a 5 out of 5. We can make another submission or view our answers. And that's the case with division, addition, subtraction, and all other main core subjects for multiplication and math in general, in which resources would help us understand the concept again. For social studies though, it's a different concept, where US history is put out, in which we will again have a rapid fire question. What did Declaration of Independence do? But make sure you don't rush it, because these concepts are made sure to integrate in level surfaces to help you do better in school alone. And we also have a geography place, where we would also have to answer questions. Which country is known as a land of rising sun? Yeah, I don't know that question, but we're going to move on, in which we could do resources. For example, for me, because I don't understand the question, go into resources and understand geography or US history facts. Now let's go into tutorial, which this video will be posted under pretty soon after this video is done recorded. We also have Mr. Tutor. And for example, let's say you don't understand the videos which are posted in resources, you would have to go into Mr. Tutor to help you understand. For example, the only way you could actually do this is by logging in. So I already logged into my account, but let's log out. I'll show you how to log in. You would have to go to the top, press login, make an account, and sign in. So for example, let me log into my account, and this basically saves my data. For example, I showed you the question I asked Mr. Tutor earlier, and it saved it. For example, here I asked, can you explain what it means to add 2 numbers? And it explained it in pretty good concept for a third grader to understand. And let's show you our key features we have. For example, I already showed you our discussions area, where we see how we do in comparison to with other students across the world. We also have a topic suggestions area, where we could directly contact our co-founders of the app to help the app have more concepts and topics to later cover on in the future. We also have a contact us, where we can directly contact the co-founders of the app, for example, by giving us a call or sending us an email. And we can also share the app, which if you do find the app to be amazing and helping you in school directly, you could share the app with many of your friends to help you do the same, which would be amazing and recommended. And we also have a YouTube page with, for example, this tutorial video would be posted on the channel for YouTutor, and many other concept videos will be posted soon, helping third graders address many other topics and concepts later on in science, English, math, and social studies. And by giving us feedback in the contact us, we could later on add further subjects or other games which can help third graders later understand what it means to truly pursue further education. Thank you.